What's up everybody, Tim here with Ethos, and today I want to talk about our different wheel cleaning brushes, their uses, why we have so many of them, and how you guys can benefit from using these for your car process. So here we have our different wheel brushes. Now you may be asking yourself why we have different sizes and different types of brushes, and that's a good question. So you got to understand there's a lot of different wheels out there, a lot of different shapes, sizes. You got brake calipers to worry about, wheel wells, fender liners, lots of different intricate places that are sometimes harder to reach than others. So having an angled brush is a really good idea for those hard to reach areas. Oftentimes if you have a bigger wheel, you can fit a bigger brush in there, smaller wheel, smaller brushes. You have your tires that require a different type of brush, like our tire cleaning brush, and then you have a spoke brush, which is really made for those more intricate spoke areas. So from the top, I recommend, for your wash bucket, having one of each of these so that you can have the most versatility. You know exactly when you go to clean your wheel, you have something for the inner barrels, the harder to reach areas with our angled wheel brushes. You have something for the front of your wheels, and you have something for your tires. So talking about our large wheel brush, we designed this with a 45-degree angle. This is really designed to fit inside the wheel barrel of your rim, behind your brake caliper, behind the actual face of the wheel. It's angled for ergonomics so that it's easier for you to reach those harder areas behind the wheel, or if you ever need to clean the back surface of your wheel, it'll reach that just fine. This comes with a microfiber mitt on it. This is going to be non-scratch, non-abrasive, so if you have a glossy wheel, a painted wheel, a high gloss finish, it's not going to damage that. Safe on powder coat, safe on aluminum, safe on all different types of wheel types. Comes with a nice firm foam handle so that by the time you're cleaning your wheels, your wrist is not killing you. Also comes in the medium size, and I recommend getting each one of these unless you have only a big wheel or if your wheel is small and this won't fit. It's good to have both, so you do have the option of variability. This also works really well on fender liners. The medium is more designed for smaller wheel finishes, or if you have a smaller tolerance between the brake caliper and the barrel of your wheel. Also comes with a foam handle and an angled design for versatility for easier or harder to reach areas. This works fantastic. Now our plush wheel brush, this is designed to be a straight wheel brush. There's no angle to it. This is made for the spokes of your wheels as well as the horizontal surfaces of your wheels that have a direct access to it. It's easier to reach. Comes with a nice firm rubber grip for dexterity and for grip pressure. Nice microfiber wash mitt. Once again, this is completely scratch free, safe on all different types of wheel finishes. Works really well on removing the brake dust and other types of grime that stick on your wheel. Really durable product as well. And our last wheel brush is actually a tire brush. Now, you don't want to use these, or this is not actually going to work as well on your tire surface. You need something that's a bit more of a firm bristle, something that's going to scrub away dirt and contaminants. It's also be more ergonomic to use a dedicated tire brush like this. Now this comes with a firm brush bristle that works really well on removing dust and dirt and mud and grime from tire surfaces. Nice firm handle, so it's not going to break. It's going to be really durable and something you can use for many years down the road. Works really well with our Super APC all-purpose cleaner. These two in combination will get your tires looking better than new. They work really well with the type of bristle that we have on there. Has some instructions on how to use this on here. Really durable product, relatively inexpensive for the quality that you get. Comes with a lifetime warranty as well with all our detailing products. So we have a combination, everything you need to clean your wheels, from tire cleaning, wheel well cleaning, as well as our larger angled brushes for those harder to reach areas. So there you have it, guys. Good selection. I do recommend having each one of these in your buckets, your wheel cleaning buckets, so you have something to grab. If you have a harder to reach area, you have everything ready to go from the onset. So there you have it, guys. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We're coming out with a ton of new content in the future, covering all different types of detailing topics. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.